Hey MTV, check out my garage. What is up guys? Welcome back to the vlog. It is Friday again. Just gonna give you a quick breakdown on what we're doing. We're working on Trevor's AC again. Alek is back here. He just did a cat delete. So we're gonna go take a look. Alek's getting ready to start his car up soon, I think. Trevor's here. He's got his Mustang. Switching out headlights. What's up, Trevor? Swapping headlights conveniently from one car to the other.
Yep.
How about it? And they're gonna go on the Datsun. And that's what I'm working on right now. I'm looking at a big old bundle of wiring, trying to get that figured out. Keaton, you may be wondering where he is.
Ready?
Oh yeah, we're ready. He even put the work shirt back on.
Oh yeah, this thing's so much heavier than the other one. Nice.
That's cool. That's pretty sweet. So, Trevor just left. We swapped out his cool fancy headlights from his Mustang and got that ready. He's gonna swap the cool ones over to the Datsun. So those are down there. They're gonna go in there. Sorry I didn't film a whole lot of the process. Didn't have a cameraman tonight, but I'm gonna go ahead and just show you what I did do anyhow. All the wiring for the control panel and the AC system mocked up and ran. But overall, this thing wasn't too bad. I love this little car. Close down the shop for the day and come back tomorrow for some more fun. So, see you tomorrow. Welcome back. It's Saturday. Keaton's here.
What's up? I wasn't here yesterday, obviously, but I'm here today, and we're getting stuff done. It was fun.
So now we're back at it. We've already gotten started. We had some cool not customer. So this is garage pal Ernie. He's got a sweet Dakar yellow E36 M3. Gotta love it. Love these cars. Anyways, he stopped by and then we got to work. So Keaton is working on getting the AC lines actually fitted. They supplied us with not enough O-rings, so we're gonna have to make another part run.
Yeah,
That's the way she goes.
this kit doesn't really seem like it was meant to be put in a Datsun.
Imagine that. Anyways,
Watch out.
how about it?
This 6 lines hooked up, this 8's almost, and then I'll do 10. And then this front end will be done. We're gonna finish this front end in the hour, and then we're gonna get back to the back end, get the dash in, get the control board going, and then start doing all the other little things, you know? The lights, underglow, and the lights, and the other lights.
There's a lot. We have a list somewhere. It's kind of long. I might have shown it already. But happy Saturday, guys. We're gonna get back to work and show you how it goes. Cohen's here. He's been helping out. We got the dash, and we went ahead and did a test fit. It fits.
Perfect.
Perfect. And now we are really just kind of buttoning it up. We're gonna figure out the venting, getting air from the box in there. Actually, the heater control valve installed with the heater lines. Keaton has an idea.
So these come out split in the middle if you work it out, and instead of like cutting this or cutting this to where this hose will fit, you can just slide it over that piece and use half of the original
Yeah,
and half of the old one.
that looks perfect to
So
me.
like that.
And then the defrosters, we're gonna be able to just hook up to these, right? Same,
Yeah,
use
just
hose.
straight up.
Use hose and get them clamped. Cohen's over here working hard, sweeping. I helped get some of the sweeping started.
Wait, don't go in there yet.
Don't go in there yet. There's something going on up front. Our neon cherries went out. However, we were lucky enough to have just ordered some LED neons. So we just went ahead and swapped them out and put them in. They'll do. What is up, guys? We are back. We got some.
What is up, guys? We are back.
What is up, guys?
What is up, guys? We are back.
We got some hoses all fitted up. And this is how they're gonna run. And they're all gonna attach to the box in there. I'll give you a look. This one right here is gonna be the one that connects on this. But they're all mounted and routed. They look very beautiful. Keaton did a good job there.
Thanks.
But yeah, I mean, check it out, guys. This is all hooked up. Look at that. Boom, beautiful.
Sturdy.
Into that mic condenser. Over here, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Boom, 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 boom. Now we are working on the headlights.
Wiring on the headlights.
Keaton wasted 15 minutes of my time to test it out because he didn't believe me.
I'm editing that out.
What's up, guys? It's late Saturday night. We've been putting in work. It's like 11.
It's hecka late. We're hecka tired.
We've had a bunch of like kind of just drop-ins today, which is always exciting. Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah, everybody that's watching this that did stop by today, what's up? Thanks for coming in.
It was cool. Colin was here.
We're gonna make a little quick checkpoint of where we're at, and tomorrow we're gonna, in our heads, finish it up. So
Yeah, I mean,
we'll just show you where we're at, and we're 80% confident we'll finish it tomorrow.
that's a good number.
That is a good number. We started messing with the headlights because he wanted to get the one swapped over from his Mustang, and the wiring's basically done. We're missing some screws. I don't know where they went, but I never saw them in the first place. I don't know if they ever existed.
We're gonna have to call Trevor tomorrow and be like, hey buddy, do you remember where you put those?
Yeah. But with those screws, we can throw them in. Everything on the front end will be good, minus the bumper.
Oh, I forgot all about that. Oh yeah. You know, 60% sure we'll get it done tomorrow.
But the AC system is fully closed. Complete system, all done. AC system's in there, it fits. All the ducting that we need hooked up is in there. All the wiring, basically figured out. And then the dash, we've got all the wiring we don't need, which is just that. We've got all the ducting in place, hooked up, ready to go. Made it a lot nicer, grounded some things differently, and it's a lot easier now.
We're gonna be trying to get here pretty early tomorrow, get a head start, and we'll see you then. What's up, guys? It's Sunday. We got headaches and we're working hard. So
one of our people that we knew, Benjamin, with Benjamin Board Racing, stopped by, and we got to acquaint ourselves with him. He's got a drag car that he races. It's pretty sick, pretty fast, and I think we're gonna be possibly putting our logo on the top of that. So keep an eye out for that, because that might be something really cool. But in the meantime, I'm doing the heater hoses connections with the control valve. Jacob is putting the headlights in the front.
just tidying up this, and we had to cut the old wiring out to modify the harness, or the housing rather. So I'm getting ready to do some more soldering. Happy Sunday, folks. Look at Keaton putting in the work. Ow. Oh, he had a boo-boo. Just like this video if you like Keaton's pain. What's up?
What's up, guys? I just finished basically all the heater and cooling lines hooked up to the air box. Had to take a couple different routes because the hoses come in and need the control right there. The kit didn't come with enough fittings for it to just go straight to it, so we had to make our own routes for everything. But it works. It's hooked up, it's out of the way, and it's as clean as it can be. That's ready to be put the dash in with the wires put together. So
while Keaton was doing that, I soldered up some electrical connections over here for the lighting and all this different connector stuff I have. And once those are connected, we will make it even cleaner. But it's basically just the other DRL and blinker that goes inside of the carbon fiber valence. Any thoughts, Keaton?
I don't know,
What comes to mind? After doing this, what's a fun message to our viewers?
be sure to investigate everything that your kit comes with and buy more parts than necessary.
We've made, I don't know, for this job alone, probably 5 trips to the store.
Yeah.
Just going through it and then figuring out, oh, they didn't give us what we needed. What's up, guys?
It's Monday, actually.
It's Monday.
We forgot to record last night because we got really hands deep into what we were doing, but we finished 9 o'clock tonight, Monday, 9 o'clock, came back. It's been 12 hours today. finished the Datsun. Got everything together, it looks really cool, so we're gonna show you that real quick. Trevor's here, he's trying to figure out an alternator issue right now, that it's overheating, which we're gonna help him with, but we figured we'd just show you where it's at right now, so.
There's toasted Trevioli.
What up? We ended up having to get a new battery for it, because the old one kaput. Let's take a peek inside the car real quick.
Yeah, so inside it's all put back together. Got a new beep beep button. We rewired the underglow to go to this switch right here.
That was the rear defrost, but it wasn't working, so we went ahead and used it for that.
We got our new HVAC panel mounted.
Well, here it is from a distance first. Ooh, beautiful. Here's under here. Clean it up as much as possible. We got the horn to work, which didn't work before. Oh yeah, put carbon fiber pillars in.
Nice black screws. We made a nice finger safe labeled control box for the all the LED underglow. Over here in the engine bay,
Well, again, like
you'll just see that all the wires are dressed up. Everything is pretty neatly done. Wires are tucked. These horns are hella
and the front bumper.
yellow. Oh yeah, we got the front valence mounted. It's carbon fiber. Look at that. It's nice and strong and sturdy. Looks very beautiful. You can see that underglow working. So yeah, that's a Datsun.
I hope you guys like it. It looks really cool. Oh, the headlights, dude. Oh, fucking
Go make those go.
How sick is that? Well, I hooked up to the blinkers too, but the key has to be in. That looks beautiful. I love it. I love this car.
Very nice.
What's up, guys? And the new old one, the old new one, doesn't work right.
The other one got real hot, so we're putting the old one back on.
Yeah, which is fine, you know, like just cause.
It's like whatever. We'll just change your alternator real quick.
Yeah.
Well, we put in a whole new heater core, you know, HVAC box, and redid, I don't know, 2 heater hoses, 3 heater hoses, and we lost like, oh, that much coolant.
Plus some that's on the ground.
Plus some that's on the ground. So I'm pretty confident that there's some air in the system and it still needs to be bled. And that is why heat hadn't really started to come out through the HVAC. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it.
We're gonna make it. Monday night still. It's getting later. We're still trying to bleed the cooling system. We've done a few, you know, you gotta get your front end up and elevated so all the air comes to the top where you load in the coolant, and the coolant fills the back all the way to the top. You know, just to make sure we're safe, we got the thermometer here, checking temperatures. Okay, we want Fahrenheit. But yeah, so we're doing a process of on and off and fill.
Metro Boomin wants some more coolant.
There it is. You gotta put some anti-Keat in it.
Huh?
We got a tired, toasted Trevioli over here. Keaton, what time is it?
Time to go home.
Oh shit, I heard that.
It's late, boy. It's like
Look at the moon. It's bright. Keaton, you're only 86 degrees, bud.
Check my neck.
Well, you're gonna get a little warmer, 88. Here, let me put it right in your eye. Now we are out in the alleyway adjusting the newly put in headlights. Keaton's undoing the lens. Look at this great lighting.
Yeah, I really can see everything out here.
You got any advice for our viewers?
In relativity to what?
Well, just something that comes to mind. You're done doing lenses in an alleyway, 11 p.m.
Oh, anytime you're working on your car, think twice before breaking something. Oops.
Keaton, you only thought once.
Dang.
If you plan on getting more than 8 hours of sleep tonight, go ahead and subscribe, because we won't.
My video.
How many times do you think before grabbing that screwdriver?
Like 6?
Oh, that's too many. Only twice.
I know. It's too skinny. Hey MTV! Check out my garage! This one, dummy nice. This is my third try.
Wait, this might work. This might be the one. Oh, yeah.
I think that's pretty dang good, yeah?
I think so. Because you know how this angle is.
Right. Oh, it is. Bye, man.
See you later, buddy.
Let's do a drive-away video. You don't want to come? I bet Alek wishes he had this car. Alek would rather throw away his Datsun than have a Datsun with AC.
And there goes the valence.
Sounds cool.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
It's time to go home. Thanks for sticking through with us, because this has been a long weekend for us. It might not be a long video,
Wait, hold up.
but that's just because it was a long weekend and we did so much work.
It's been a long last 3 vlogs.
And he's gonna be going to a cool car show meet event. Was it?
Something in Colorado.
Something in Colorado.
Grid Life.
Grid Life.
Grid Life.
He's going to Grid Life.
Yeah.
So if you guys follow Grid Life, look for the yellow Datsun.
Datsun.
Datsun was a 240Z.
Yep. It's in the Glamour Gallery. The top 25, so you'll see it.
That's how it got pretty. It got pretty right here.
Yes, sir. But
So yeah.
upcoming this weekend, we have big plans to work on the building again and, you know, make our business happen. So
That's
with
exciting.
that Datsun out of the way, that was fun. It turned out really cool, and hope you enjoyed watching it. So be sure to walk away from the fan when talking to people. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment to see the next videos coming up, because we got a lot of fun stuff to show you. So
You heard the man. Peace.